Hello guys, today we'll try to understand subnetting concept. Let's go to next slide. Let's try to understand the subnet. We'll create a one table that through that we'll try to understand. So in this table I will take three row. One is the subnet number, host, basically computer, how many computers will come here, subnet mask. Subnet number will start from 1, multiply 2, 2 to the power 2 is the 4, then 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Now reverse this number. So let's go here, 256 host and then 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Subnet mask slash 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 plus 32. So this is our table. We try to understand this table. So this is my subnet number. This is total host, and this way we can divide in the columns. Yeah. So in this example, if you go with this subnet mask 24, suppose. So in this case, what will happen? You can assign 256 host, but you can create only one subnet. So if you go with slash 24, one subnet. If you go with the slash 25, how many subnet you can create? You can create two subnet, and each will have 128 machines. If you go with the 126, you can create four subnet, but each subnet will have 64 machines. Keep this in mind. If you go with slash 27, you will have 8 subnet. This is 8 subnet you can create. Each will have 32 machines. So for our example, what we will do, we'll take second part, let's say slash 25. So how many subnet we are saying that we can create two subnet here. So let's create these two subnet. So in each subnet we have 128 machines. So basically what we are saying that 0 to 127, 28 machine can reside in one subnet. So let's say for example we start from 10.0.0.0. This is my starting point, and slash 25, 127 machine can 0 to 127 can sit. The next will start from the subnet number will start from 128. Let's say for example, either you are creating a VPC slash 24 VPC, under that you want to create a two subnet, this is your range, or maybe VNet, under that you want to create a subnet, this is your going to be range. These are two subnet if you are especially talking about slash 25. Now, so there are some of the IP will be reserved. So let's say for example, reserved IPs. So always the first network IP and the last one is the broadcast IP. Those are reserved. So in this case, first example will take 10.0.0.0 and 10.0.0. Because it's going till 127. 127. These two IP are always a reserved in any subnet. First two. Again, it depends if you are working on the AWS and network, they will have some more IP reserve. But here, networking concept, these two are reserved. So what we are saying that this is your net ID and this is your broadcast ID. Broadcast IP. These are reserved. So in this case, the first case, what are the useful IP? or maybe we'll take the another color. Useful IPs. If I just talk about this subnet, what will be the useful IPs? So then what we will have the range from 0.1 to 10.0.0.126. So these IPs we can use for our work. So this is the very simple. So this is the way we are explaining, and it will be easy to remember how we are going to calculate the subnet. So once you define your range, let's say in VPC or VNet, you are defining your range, then based on the how much subnet you want to create, based on how much machine you are looking for. So this is the calculation you have to do, and then you can figure out how many subnets are there. If let's say next example you go 126, let's say you want to create a 26/26 subnet mask. So then you can create total 4 subnet here, and each subnet you will have 64 machines. In the next slide, what we will do, we'll understand the detail about that, how we generally calculate the value. So let's go to the next slide. What happened, right? We have 4 blocks, and each block has 8 bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first block. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the second block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the third block. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once we say /24, if you add this one 8, 16, 24. This is 24 /24, right? These are our network ID. You are not going to, these are reserves. You are not going to use this one. So basically what will happen, you are going to use only this range. And how we calculate this? So you can go from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. If you go and then multiply with this, so 20 is the 1, then you have 1 here, 2 power 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 1. If you multiply this, 2, same way 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. If you add this, it will come close to, so 0 to 250, 250 computers. So now let's say you want to go with the /24 subnet, then one subnet you can create. Now if you want to go, that's where we told /24, you will have one subnet which will have 256 computer. Now if you want to go /25, so once you said /25, so basically what you are doing, you are reserving this one. So then remainings are, this is the remaining part. So basically what we are saying, from 64 to this one, right? So this is the, if you calculate this one, this total value will be your total host can contain into one subnet. So in this case, what will happen, you can create two subnet, right? But one will be from 10 to 127 and another 128 to 256. So let's 25 to, basically you will have two subnet. This is the logic behind this. Now if you want to go with the /26, let's say take example, you want to go with the new /26. So keep in mind, once you go /26, then what will happen, you are going to focus only this area. What will happen, 24, 25, 26, these two are reserved. Basically this and this are reserved, you cannot use this one. So then you can go with this way. So four subnet you can create here. I hope you got the clarity how to create the subnet, and that will help you once you create a network in your organization. Thank you for watching.